Well, I always imagine when I'm going through something like interacting with someone that I can tell is avoidant, I really have a lot of compassion for it. I always start off like with a medium size sort of thing. Like if they're like having a hard day, I might say, "Oh, wow, it looks like you're really upset." And if they're just like, "I didn't say I was upset. I said I was having a hard day." And I'd be like, "Oh, okay. So you're having a hard day." It's almost like there's a need for co-regulation from them that is very little because they are wired to regulate their own emotions without anyone else there. When you try to like co-regulate with them, that's where you're gonna feel kind of frozen out or rejected or like nothing that you say is being taken in. And guess what? That's because it's not. And none of that has anything to do with how much they love you or care for you. But it is completely understandable that you feel the impact of that. And so when you're communicating with an avoidant partner, you want to keep it really simple, like less is actually more. And I've actually found that one of the really great things about avoidant individuals is if you give them time and space, they will actually tell you what they need or show you what they need. And again, this isn't meant to be at your own expense. So finding that middle ground is really important. And really deciding how much you want to work for that effective communication is also really important. You should only be going so far to communicate effectively with someone.